Furlong with MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is a beautiful boat. It's going to be really well equipped. Sea Ray blue with horizon gel stripe, set up with a stainless steel windlass anchor on the front. This boat's also equipped with the hardtop with canvas opening. Beautiful boat. Let's take a look at the inside of this one. Coming around the back of the boat, this boat's equipped with twin 350 horsepower Mercruiser engines. We have the submersible swim platform, twin Bravo 3 drives, underwater lights, sea decking around the back. This boat's equipped with the premium stereo upgrade. Coming into the boat, you can see the stone interior, snap-in sea deck flooring, blue courtesy lighting, our canvas opening in the hardtop, dual digital Simrad dash. We also have the optional bow filler cushion for this boat. This is a great option here at MarineMax. Give us a call today to set an appointment to come in and view it. Thank you.